and girls, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well in the isolation period still. Right, I have a haul today. You're probably thinking, how can you have a haul? There's hardly anything open. But my favourite shops, B&M, Home Bargains and Savers, are still open. Thank God. So I went out early dawns and hit all three shops this morning because I had practically run out of everything. So I've picked up food, I've picked up toiletries, I've picked up some medication, treats and bits for myself, little candles here and there, but I've literally well and truly stocked up again. So I was out probably no more than 2 hours, hit all three shops, back indoors. So today we have a B&M haul, and these bags, I've been trying to lift them for a thumbnail, are so heavy. So let's see if I can. We have two huge bags. Oh my God, you can definitely tell I don't go to the gym much. And today we have a B&M haul, so keep your eyes peeled because there will be a Home Bargains haul and a Savers haul. I just don't know which way I'm going to upload them yet. So we have from B&M, popped in this morning, 25 items, £30 later. So it was quite a short receipt to be fair, but I've got bits and bobs. There was one thing though that I kind of got sucked into buying, and it was one of them I thought, oh, it'll only be a couple of quid, and then I got to the checkout and it weren't, and then I couldn't bother to return it. So without further ado, let's get into the video of the B&M haul time. Right, it's going to be in no particular order, guys. Let's have a look. Right, the first things, necessities. Everyone needs a sponge. Just picked up 2 packs. These were 65p each. My mum has run out of sponges completely, and all she keeps saying is, if you see a sponge, can you pick it up? If you see a sponge, can you pick it up? And every time I've gone out, Tesco is just spongeless. There's not a single sponge wipe in sight. Good old B&M come through with the sponges. Something I picked up for my mum was kind of like a joke, and I thought, oh, it's only a couple of quid. It's not pushing the boat out, but she loves cats, and I saw this adorable canvas. We're doing her room sometime this year, so I thought that could be cute to go above. And it was in the special buy corner, £2, and it was only a quid. So if I'd known that, I would have gone back and got her a couple of other designs. But you know, by the time you queue up and then you go in, I just thought I can't even be bothered to go back in there. What else have we got? Cura Heat. Me and Mum have been going on walks quite a lot lately, and because she hasn't got the right type of trainers and footwear, she's moaning that her legs are hurting, her back's hurting. So I thought, you know what, Cura Heat, can't go wrong with that. Slightly annoyed at this. This was under a thing that said Cura Heat Relief, was it Cura Heat Relief Pads 180. I thought, oh, that's not bad. No, these are Cura Heat Pain Relief, which was a couple of rows down. I saw more of these, but I didn't look underneath. It was actually £2.79. So don't say I don't treat your mother. What else have we got? Oh, a little treat for me. So I need to go through all my room, the house. All the diffusers are probably well and truly done and could be doing with refill because they haven't been swapped out since Christmas. I'm looking at one now and it's running low. So I saw this one. It was a lovely rose gold velvet orchid and honey scent, but it's actually got my initial on, and this was £4. And I think my birthday's end of May. Something like this is so nice just for like a little present, a little filler, or even if you're putting stuff away for Christmas already. And they had these in candles, and they also had some coasters initialized, so not bad with that. What else have we got here? Oh, this was one as well. So they have their own type of skincare brand called Derma V10 Love Yourself for Less, and I picked up this raspberry lip scrub with coconut oil and cocoa butter, and then it's got a collagen lip mask. So it's a 2-step lip kit, and these were 79p each. So you have a good exfoliation, and then you get one of them big collagen masks that you just put over. It's probably going to make my lips look huge, but if this works, it's not bad for 79p. I think there should be another one somewhere. Oh, yep, I got a coconut version as well. So again, if these work, just for like a little pamper night, anything like that, 79p, can't go wrong. What did I get? Ah, Picked up a couple of drinks. I like the Ribena Fusion. This one's infused with blueberry, but they do one that's infused with kiwi. And oh, it's so nice. I've only been able to get it at Asda before, but Asda haven't had stock for ages. And how much were these? I don't think there's hardly anything. 29p each. Can't go wrong for 29p. And then what else have we got? Oh, picked up a hand soap. I just thought this was the cutest. It's from the Fruit Garden, strawberry scented. How cute is that? And this was, how much were you? Did they even charge me for it? Oh, £1. Is that 200? No, that's not. What have I got here? 200 £1.29. So not terrible. It's 500ml. Great to go in the bathroom. I'll probably mum put that one in the kitchen, I think. As for baking, picked up a Lyle's Squeezy dessert golden syrup. Can't go wrong with having these in. I'm thinking of doing an old-fashioned pineapple upside down cake. Do you remember with the pineapple rings and the glacé cherries and the syrup? Throwing it back here. Right, so now this is my purchase that I wasn't entirely happy with when I first got it, but upon looking at it I thought it was doable. So this was in the bargain aisle and it's called Posicare Plus Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer Gel. So I thought, oh, that can't be too bad. 250ml, I thought $2.50. Scanned it through. I didn't even look at how much it was. It weren't until I was sitting in the car. Looked at the receipt. It was $3.99 and I thought, as if I've just paid £4 for a bottle of antibac. But when I looked in the bigger scale of things, you know the little Carexes that you get for 50, I think they're like 50ml. They're normally what, 99p? So 5 of them will cost you a £5. So I've looked at it, I've saved £1. But it was one of them things where I was like, £4 for that? But it is like 5 times the amount that I normally get. So I'm not too mad. I was mad at the beginning, but when I looked into the bigger picture, I thought it was alright. Right, I picked this up. I think this was about $1.50. Yeah, $1.49. A bamboo charcoal, Beauty Formulas brand again, konjac facial sponge. It's 100% natural and contains activated charcoal. So I can't wait to actually give this a go because I've really been getting into my skincare again at the moment. And it just says how to use to soak the sponge in warm water to soften and gently squeeze the sponge between both palms to remove the excess. Never use the sponge when dry. You would not want to use this sponge when it's dry because it feels like a rock in here. And it says carefully work the sponge across the face and body in circular motion. So I'm going to try this out on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram in the comments box below. And I'll let you know how I get on with this because I'm quite fascinated with the charcoal skincare rage that is at the moment. Oh, right, now this bag is the odds and bobs bags. Right. So we have a covered essential. I have 2 tins of kidney beans, people. Great to go in chili con carnes, anything you want. I actually put these in quite a lot of salads or do wraps with them. And how much for kidney beans? 39p a can. So definitely not terrible. Right, what have I got here? Right, these were slightly more pricey. So we have one and I always thought you could get like their version to go in them, but when mum told me no, it's Ambipure, and then I looked at their version, the sticks were a lot longer. So I just picked up 2 Febreze, formerly Ambipure plug refills, red cherry blossom. Now these were $2.99 each, but apparently they're the only ones that we can have for the holder and they don't do a cheap alternative. So it's a little bit, not really a waste, but when I see ones there for like 79p, I think, oh, why could you not just fit? But I would have got their cheap holder to get some things, but they had no holder spare. It was literally just an odd few sets of refills. Right, I have a gazillion bottles of bubble bath and shower gel. Do not need any more. Instead of just using through what I've got, I can't help a bargain. They had this 500ml for $1.49 of Imperial Leather and it's called Mallow Mazing. And let's have, Am I going to be able to get it? Oh, yep. Oh, that is nice. I just twisted it, whereas I think I didn't need to twist it. So 500ml for £1.50. That went straight in my basket. And then, oh, right, picked up, how many? Oh, picked up 4. So we've got 4 of, right, these are their dupes. These go in, now what ones do we have? Airwick and Glade holders we have. These go in and fit. The only thing with the Glade holders, they slightly leak after so many times. I think because the nozzle's not quite right, but they work fine in Airwick holders. They're the Air Sense, you know, like the sprayers, the little that spray out every 30 minutes. I got 2 citrusing and 2 sparkling berry, and as I say, they fit for both Airwick and Glade, but if you do have a Glade holder, it will slightly leak a little bit, I found, but for £1 as opposed to like $3.99, and I couldn't see any Glade flavours that I liked, so that was it. The last thing, Don Simon lemon and strawberry juice drink, 1.5 litres for 99p. Cannot go wrong with this. So that is everything. When I look at it, I think, oh, for 30 quid, but £4 for that, £4 for that, 2 of them, 6 quid, and then this, don't say I don't treat your mum again. So we haven't done too bad. So guys and girls, if you did like that video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment of any other hauls or shops you'd like me to visit too. Or if you've been to your local B&M, is there any bargains that you've seen or any new bits that you'd recommend? Do let me know. But if not, I hope you all stay safe, hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.